Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your device model and Android version so permissions and tools match. Once done, back up critical data because system changes can break apps. You must decide whether full root or Shizuku fits your needs. Root gives complete system control. Shizuku exposes elevated APIs to apps without modifying system binaries. Next, install ADB on your PC and enable developer options and USB debugging. This is the first actionable step to communicate with the device. You proceed with installation. For root, unlock the bootloader and flash Magisk or the SU binary using a custom recovery. Keep Magisk Manager for module control. For Shizuku, install the Shizuku APK and grant it elevated access via ADB using the Start Foreground Service command or the ADB shell Shizuku grant flow. Once configured, verify access. Run SU or check Shizuku status. Make sure to avoid conflicting modules or strict SE Linux settings, because those are common causes of partial failures. You finish by testing each app that needs elevated privileges and granting runtime permissions so functionality can be validated. Once done, keep a restore plan, unroot with Magisk or revoke Shizuku permissions and restore backups if something breaks. If you run into issues, check ADB connectivity, SE Linux mode, and any conflicting modules or app signature mismatches. Those explain most problems. Finally, if logs show permission denials, reproduce the error while capturing logcat to pinpoint the failing API call.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.